Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to preview your SVG files directly with the editor. So by default, whenever you open SVG files, it opens the SVG file like this. So we have this download.svg file. By default, Visual Studio Code do show you the live preview, but it can't show you the code as well side by side. So for that you need to switch to, if you do want to open it as a text file, it shows you the source code, but it doesn't show you side by side. At only one time it can show you the preview or source code. For this side by side live development, there is an extension that you can install, a third party extension. Simply go to the extensions tab, and there is a very popular extension, SVG preview. So if you select SVG preview, this extension will come. Almost 1.6 billion downloads are there. Simply click the install button. So it allows you to preview and code, edit your SVG files directly by using an editor. So click the install button once it gets installed. Now open the same file. As I open the same file, as you can see right here, so now if you click the same button, it will show you the file and also the code at the same time. So now you will be able to edit the actual SVG file. So as you can see, I am editing it. You can change the color of all the elements. Likewise, let's suppose I want to change coding Shiksha color. From here I can select the color, text color. I can change the text as well. So you can see that how easily we can edit the SVG files using this extension. By default, it doesn't have this support. So for this, you do need to install this extension. It's a very lightweight extension. You can easily edit. You can see that. You can edit text, background, text color, everything you can edit. So it really is a very good extension which will save you a lot of time. So this is actually the background that it is using. You can change the background as well. You can actually take any SVG file, simply download in VS Code and simply start editing it. So simply need to open this SVG. As soon as you open this, it will open it, and then click this button. This will open the preview section side by side. So now you will be able to directly edit and change the source code of the file side by side. You can see that. You can see that. So I personally use this extension a lot because I work with SVG files. So it saves me a lot of time in order to edit these files. So definitely install this extension SVG preview. If you directly type this, the second extension which comes, this is Simon, is developed by Simon Siafake. So this is the extension. Definitely install this.